Okay, today we're talking about how to replace a Delta RP19804 cartridge. So specifically, this is a cartridge we're going to be replacing today. At the time of this recording, purchased this at Home Depot for $65.98. If we look on the back of the package, you'll see this cartridge is for the 1300 and 1400 series tub shower valves. This cartridge replaces the single control valve cartridges with the white upper cap made before 2006. So that's an important point I want to make here for you. Delta offers different shower valve cartridges. There's not a one-size-fits-all. Depending on the make and model you have, you want to make sure you get the proper cartridge for your shower valve. They look similar, but they are different. So you'll note the one we're replacing today, again, is the RP19804. Step 1, turn off the water to the house or the facility or to the shower valve. Removing the old cartridge. So what you'll want to do is pry off the little round plug or round cover with a pocket knife, a very thin small screwdriver, etc. Be careful not to break or crack or damage the plastic handle. Once you remove that little round plug cover, take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the Phillips head screw, and then the plastic handle itself should slide right off. If the handle is still in good condition, you can reuse it. If it's cracked or broken, you'd want to replace it at this time. You'll want to remove the escutcheon plate from the wall. So you remove those two long Phillips head screws. Sometimes there might be a bead of caulking around the perimeter of the escutcheon plate that you need to cut with a razor blade. Sometimes you just come right off. And then you'll slide this plastic sleeve straight off. Next, using a pair of channel locks, unscrew the bonnet nut. And then grab the cartridge, old cartridge, and gently wiggle it and pull it out of the valve body. Something to note of importance, when you go to install the new cartridge, if you look at this picture, you'll see triangular shaped notches. You want to line up those notches with the triangle shapes on the new cartridge body. And remember, the hot generally will go to the left side, cold usually is on the right side. Also, before installing the new cartridge, apply some plumber's grease to the O-rings on the new cartridge. And what I would recommend, inspect inside the shower valve body and look for corrosion, sediment, mineral deposits, pitting, etc. If it looks like it's in good condition, you may simply be able to wipe it out with a rag, make sure it's clean inside. Maybe take a Scotch-Brite pad and gently clean out any mineral deposits you see in there. If it's badly pitted or scored or obvious damage, you may need to even replace that shower valve body. And this plumber's grease you can find at Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware. $5 for this little tube. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for Lowe's, Home Depot, Delta, or any other product you see in this video. And simply now reverse the procedure to install the new cartridge, making sure you line up those triangular shaped notches. And take care not to pinch or scrape or damage the O-rings as you slide the new cartridge in place. And of course, last step, turn the water back onto the house, check for leaks, and then check the hot water temperature. So turn the shower on and see if you get hot water and if it gets hot enough. If it doesn't, then you may need to adjust the rotational limit stop. And to do that, you'll have to remove the handle again. And on the front of the cartridge, you will see this rotational limit stop. And you simply gently pull it out a little bit and turn it to the left. And it'll allow the handle to rotate to the left to give more hot water. Woo! And this is sort of an anti-scald safety device so people don't burn themselves in the shower, especially children. I hope this information has helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.